In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fib wedge on TradingView with a quick and easy guide you can follow step by step. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart. This can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen. That's where your main drawing toolbar is located. In that toolbar, look for the section that contains your Gann and Fibonacci tools. It's usually represented by an icon that, when you hover over it, mentions Gann and Fibonacci. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the drop-down list of available tools. From that list, choose the Fib Wedge tool. When you click on it, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to start drawing directly on the chart. Now it's time to create your wedge. Start by clicking on the chart to set your first point. This is typically placed at a key swing, low or swing high, depending on how you want to analyze the price. Then, move your cursor and click again to set your second point. This defines the initial direction and angle of your wedge. Finally, move to the next important price point and click one more time to create your last point. With these 3 points, TradingView will automatically draw the full fib wedge structure for you. Once the wedge is on your chart, you can explain to yourself or to others what it's doing. It's giving you a set of angled Fibonacci-based levels that can help you visualize potential support, resistance, and trend continuation or reversal zones along a wedge pattern. It's a way to combine geometry and Fibonacci ratios in one tool. You're not locked into your first placement. You can move or adjust the wedge anywhere on your chart by clicking and dragging the points or the entire structure. This is helpful if you want to fine-tune it to match specific highs and lows. You can also customize the appearance. With the wedge selected, you'll see options to work with templates, so you can save a style you like and reuse it. You can change the color to make the wedge stand out or blend in with your existing layout, and you can adjust the line tool width to make the lines thinner or thicker. If you need deeper control, click on Settings to open the Full Properties window. From there, you can lock the wedge so it doesn't move accidentally while you're working, or remove it completely if you don't need it anymore. You'll also see 3 dots, or a More menu, that gives you additional options related to that tool. To wrap up, the Fib Wedge on TradingView is a flexible way to map out wedge structures using Fibonacci proportions. By placing 3 points, adjusting, customizing, and using the settings, you can make this tool fit your personal trading style and keep your charts both clear and informative.